you may wonder what's new with the iPhone 16 series besides this button here, but the whole iPhone 16 series gets the action button carried over from the iPhone 15 Pro. This replaces the ringer switch that we found on all prior iPhones prior to the 15 Pro. Now, I'm going to go into what you can do with the action button. Let's get into it. Now, the action button defaults to what the old ringer switch used to do, silent mode. So ringer off, ringer back on. Now on a side tangent, this is an iPhone 15, same function. Ringer off, ringer back on, but with the ringer switch, not the action button because the action button is not on the iPhone 15 non-Pro. To change what the action button does, you can go to settings, action button, and swipe right for flashlight. So when you hit the action button, flashlight on, flashlight off. And then you can go into camera, and then action button to the camera app. But you can also change this to do basically whatever the hell you want it to do. Photo, selfie, video, portrait, or portrait selfie. Nice feature there. And then you can also change the action button to pull up your focus modes. Or just set it to one of your focus modes, like your personal focus mode, or turn it off entirely. We're going to leave on all focus modes for now. And now you can actually record a voice memo using the action button simply by holding it, and then you're free to record whatever you want. And then hit it again, it stops recording. And then you can actually, I don't know if this is from, oh wait, I spoke too soon. Turn it on. This is through Apple Music. And it recognized the song being played through the speakers here. Hit continue. Now we get the translate. So you can translate languages, whether it be from English to Spanish or English to French, etc. So I am doing this for demonstration purposes. So didn't get it quite right, but it was just fine. Go away. And we get the magnifier here as well. Well, that, it takes the magnifier. So that is self-explanatory. And from here you can choose a control, 4 controls obviously. That could be calculator, stopwatch, alarm, any of these controls on the screen. Basically a custom control that I haven't already gone over. So I'm going to choose calculator. So if I go over here, it'll take me to calculator. Don't need that. And then you can choose any shortcut from here. And let's choose clock for this one. Then from here we can set a timer. We can set a timer for, say, 5 minutes. I'm going to end that timer. Then accessibility, and just no action. So the action button will be null and void if you have it set to that. If you found this helpful or enjoyed the video, then please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.